Good morning. It has not been a good morning for us out here yet. Got to the boat landing, forgot our sunglasses, drive all the way home. Get to the boat landing, load the boat, no tackle box. So, Marilyn, let's take the truck, going to get the tackle box. See if I can catch anything while we just hang out with each other because, well, everything's in the tackle box. Today, by the way, sorry, trying to do catch and cook. We're gonna bass fish the morning here, then get the bobbers and worms out, catch about 15 panfish. Go home and eat them. All right, Texas rigged worm. It's got to catch something.
I was gonna put the tackle box on the table last night. We wouldn't forget it. And I was like, nah, I'm gonna have breakfast in the morning.
You're the one that hid it under the table.
And so I put it under the table so we can have breakfast. Hey, look at that! You caught a fish.
These little ones are the worst. Finally, we are not skunked, but not exactly the size we're looking for. All right, no skunk though. Bye-bye.
Damn.
Biggest lily pad I've ever caught though. Get it? Get it?
That wasn't funny.
Oh, I got a fish. Oh my God.
That's a fish.
It's a branch now, but it was a fish. Oh no, there's a fish on there still, right?
I think he's wrapped up.
What's happening here? No, it's just a fish biting at it.
Oh, really?
After I've been hooked on the thing. Because I see my worm.
Oh.
I'm just caught on the tree. Oh, this is gonna suck. I think he was biting at my weight. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Had one on there for a second. Swimming around this brush somewhere. Really? Yeah, oh, come on, you gotta be kidding me. Oh, there, that one took it. Missed him. Clean me off. Oh. Where's my Red Bull? Is there any left in there even?
Yeah.
Oh, thank God.
Got a couple sips left.
Thank God. All right, we're going away from the worm.
Thanks God, Jesus.
Oh, give me a wet garlic and salt. Fighter. Hey, flip my worm. Every single time I look away. I think that's just the tricks. Just gotta look away.
Oh, baby one.
Oh, that's a really good one. Oh, guess not. No bite? And just like that, we got swerved by everything on the lake. Bass, usually no matter what, we can catch a couple bass along the shoreline here before we get out and try to catch some panfish, but this morning, nothing. The whole way, nothing that way, nothing around the bend, nothing on spinners, jigs, buzz baits, frogs. So, caught a couple little ones, that was it. But even the panfish weren't cooperating today. It was just one of those days. So, that's where I'll leave you. I guess we'll have to try again another day to get the catch and cook redemption. Today wasn't the day. Like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the dislike if you hated this episode, because no matter what, it helps me. And until next time, we'll see you on the water.